We are doing the cow eye dissection. So this is the extra connective tissue that we are cutting. And let's look at the different parts after we cut it.
Optic nerve.
That's the optic nerve, yes, outside. And then this colorful area that we are seeing is the tapetum that is found only in the cow's eye or other nocturnal animals, which helps them see them better. Right continuous with that is the other colored layer that's called choroid. Choroid is the vascular layer. It has all the blood supply. And then this outside, the white portion, the white layer is the sclera, which is the fibrous layer, part of the fibrous layers, sclera. And now if we look, this is the anterior portion. That is the lens that we took out. We have placed it back. So whatever is around that serrated layer is the ciliary body. The lens is attached to it with the help of the suspensory ligaments, and then the hole, around that hole there's a smooth layer, that's iris. The hole is the pupil. In case of cow eye, it is ovalish. In case of human, that hole is round. Then this is the outer fibrous layer called cornea. Very good, yes. Cornea and sclera, they are the fibrous layer, the outermost fiber layer. And is there anything else? Oh yeah, we scooped out all the vitreous humor, which is the gel-like liquid. It's all very jelly liquid that we scooped out of the eye. So we don't really see it like that, but we can see all the liquid that's lying in the tray. That is both vitreous as well as aqueous. In front of the eye, that fluid is called aqueous humor. The back of the eye, behind the lens, is the vitreous humor. This is the back. From the back, we can see the optic nerve.
Maybe we can
Yeah,
cut the fat.
right. We can try removing the fat around it. I mean the tough connective tissue. There we go. We see a very good exposed optic nerve. This optic nerve through which it goes in the
Into the brain.
into the brain. It goes into the brain through the optic chiasma. Once again, looking at the tapetum lens, it's very, very interesting. Students are really having fun. That's actually retina. Yeah, I think we did not talk about it because we had scooped it out. This is the point where retina is attached to the optic disc. That's why it's very hard to remove it from there. So this is the retina. It won't come off from this point on because it attaches to the optic nerve through the optic disc. Yeah, that's tapetum. Behind it is the choroid. This is the choroid. Yes. Yep, when we remove the tapetum layer. Cool. It was the most fun dissection, right? We did.